IT sector is considered as one of the top paying sector not only in India but all over the globe. And that is the reason a lot of people get fascinated by hearing about the IT jobs and IT and software engineers. And today we are going to share with you an image which is going viral over the internet. Let me show you that image first. So in the image that you're able to see on your screen, this particularly is of a person who has joined one of the biggest IT company, not only in India, but the entire world. And that person joined this company back in 2017 with a package of 2.7 lakhs per annum. Now, you might find it surprising, and I feel that this is very derogatory. That is, after 7 to 8 years, that person has got an increment and all the appraisals and all those things, and that person is having the salary of 6.82 lakh rupees. Now, let me tell you guys that the same company is now paying around 20 to 22 lakh rupees for freshers who are graduating straight out of college. And that is the reason I feel that the pay scale or the pay matrix in the IT company is changing widely. Okay, there is a lot of exponential growth that is happening in the IT companies, but for people who are taking risk, for people who want to learn new tech stack, for people who have discipline to learn and be consistent. And this is the reason I'm making this video, because I wanted to share this with all of you people. But more about it towards the end of the video. What I want to share with all of you guys is that the IT markets is definitely changing. And with the advent of AI, a lot of tools are available for developers specifically who can utilize that, and they can excel. They will be able to perform well. A lot of people ask me that I don't get time because of development. I do a lot of development. I do a lot of like refactoring and do all those things in my current project. I'm building APIs, scalable applications, system design. I'm doing TDs and a lot of things, right? That is the reason I'm not getting time to prepare for the interviews. But let me tell you guys that if you are having Copilot, if you are having any other AI browser, okay, or if you're having any other AI like editor, then please try to use that, because that will give you an advantage over your peers. You will be able to code your current company's work faster, and then you will be getting more time to prepare for your job interviews. Okay. The second important thing that I wanted to highlight is that yes guys, definitely salary matters, and it matters a lot, because you can see that there are a lot of things are changing in IT, right? And the job that you are having right now, that job might not be there after 10 years or after 15 years, and that is the absolute truth. But there will be new jobs, there will be new job openings that will be happening, there will be new job roles that will be coming into picture, which will help you in the future. So that is the reason people who are disciplined, people who are having the ability to learn continuously, those people will definitely get more and more jobs, even if there is a lot of recession or there is a lot of layoffs for the current tech stack that you are learning. Okay, in IT, React JS, backend development, AI, okay, machine learning, then again how to train the models, how you can train LLMs. So all these things are trending right now, and that is the reason I feel that when if you are in IT, okay, when you are in IT sector, you will have unlimited opportunities. You can sit at home, you can work for the best world class companies like Walmart, Microsoft, Flipkart, a lot of other companies, right? But the only thing that you have to do is that you have to like keep be on your toes. You have to apply to different companies, and you have to be consistent. So with this, I would like to end our today's video with a simple note that we are starting a video series about job switch, wherein you will be getting info about how did I completed my job switch, how did I apply to different companies, how did I convince the HR for better packages, how did I negotiate the salaries and the structures overall, and how did I get multiple job offers. So stay tuned. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day and a great weekend.